Hello my friends, today I will introduce you an automatic loading and unloading equipment. First of all, let me introduce you some of the features of our device. It is grasped by a robot through visual recognition, a device that performs automatic loading and unloading of a product. It is divided into three parts. The first part is our soft shock part. So our soft shock part is made of flexible vibrating discs, and the visual identity agencies are composed. The second is our SCARA robot part. It is made up of a 4-axis robot and an expansion axis. The third is our control button section. The first is our power button. Press the power button, power on of equipment. The second is our reset button. When the device appears alarm, we hit the reset button. The device clears the alarm. The third is our stop button. During device operation, we press the stop button, equipment outage. The fourth is our start button. When our equipment is powered on, we press the start button, the device will run automatically. The fifth is our SCARM button. In case of equipment emergency, we hit the SCARM button, equipment emergency stop. Next up is our software engineer. Let me introduce you to the operation part of our software engineer.
Start by opening the software. Wait for the software to start. The software opens and click Stop. Switch to Edit mode. Then copy a project file. Point copy. Rename. Click OK when the naming is complete. Then click the toggle. Once the switch is complete, click on the loop. Place the product into the flexible vibrating plate. Register a datum image. Then click Perform Detection. Click Register. Overwrite the original image. Then click Close. The datum drawing has been registered. Then quickly contour matching. First of all, we need to select the detection range. Select the detection range. Then search for the object settings. Match the datum image. Click OK. Click OK. Click Done when you're done. Then set the other two lines to be in parallel to the other two edges of the product. Click Done when you're done. The two intersections then generate a straight line. Look for the center in a straight line. Click Done. Then the coordinates are converted. In the previous step, Previous, then select the standards file. Open it, then click Done. Click Output Text. The output text is to convert the mechanical coordinates into the format required by the host computer. Click OK. Then the text output is about outputting what you want. For example, whether the result of the camera acquisition is OK or NG. Calculate the output of the module. Click OK. Then click Save. Save the data. Click Run. Click Run. After our software engineer has introduced the operation of the software, let's operate our equipment. The first thing is to plug it in. Wait for the device to boot up. OK, now our software system is booted up. Then we press the Start button. The equipment runs automatically. After starting, the device first performs a self-test. After the self-test is completed, the blanking action is carried out. Prevent material backlog caused by material on pallets. By default, the pallet is in the material state.